Hi all, I am currently outside taking apart a shoe shelf or shoe rack to give away. Mike is home. Today is Monday and I have to go to work later. So he got here early this morning. But anyway, I'll show y'all this shoe rack and how far I've gotten with it. So the shoe rack, this is how far I've gotten with it. I got the screws and everything in the back of my truck. And I'm just taking apart with this little guy. So I am heading to work. We kind of cleaned out the garage a little bit so it looks better. Kind of straighten it up where you can kind of walk through it. I'm gonna show you from this one when you come out the door. We still gotta get the other pile, but this is just totes from. So I am heading to work. I don't know that I'm gonna record too much for work, but yeah, this is it. Head to work. Got my shake in hand, and then I got my powder mixed up for my shake for in the morning. And if I don't get back to you guys sometime tonight while I'm at work, I will get back to you guys. I'll get back to you guys in the morning. Definitely if I don't get back to you guys tonight. Anyway, bye. Good morning, guys. I am just leaving work. I have to prepare myself for my drive home because it's not a short ride. Anyway, as I told you that I probably wasn't gonna tune back in last night. It's usually really busy when I first get to work at night, and then throughout the night it just kind of goes from there. But I wouldn't say I had a lot going on, but the supervisor was sharing a lot of things with us that we needed to know last night. So yeah, that's how that went. And yeah, now I'm headed home. I clocked out at 7:36, so I will probably end this vlog for today. Nothing else exciting is happening. I'm going home and I'm getting in the bed. And I'll come back to y'all like probably later this week after I get off, and I'm off, and so y'all can check in and see what I'm doing. Might be going on a little trip for a couple of days and coming back, but we will see. Anyway, all right guys, later. The greenhouse. This is a little popcorn that Precious can't get over. He was like, hey.
Give me space, I need some time. I might just lose my mind. Been baited by these animals, trading truth for lies. Talking all that, can't believe this is where we at. Ain't no mind, the truth will show up in time, and I'll be focused with mine, so let the bygones be by. People talking way too much, never got the body to back it up. Too much trying out here, and it got me feeling funky, yeah. I don't know about you, no telling how much damage they could do. Telling la 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 lies. If it's hate or if it's love, if it's not, then it's still gonna be love too, yeah. Maybe the win is to lose, yeah. But it was nice while I knew ya. But really you should see the new me. Staying strong, steady, improving. Came a long way and truly I ain't going back. People talking way too much, never got the body to back it up. Too much trying out here, and it got me feeling funky, yeah. I don't know about you, no telling how much damage they could do. Telling la 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 lies.
Good morning, good people. So I am starting this vlog up here. Today I go back to work, so I'm about to go for a walk in the park and a kettlebell workout in the park. So I'm just having some tea. I'm gonna have my pre-workout, and then I'm gonna be out the door. I'm gonna go ahead and start a load of laundry to finish up my work laundry, and after that I'll probably talk to you guys again before I go to work, and that'll be it, and I'll catch back up with you guys Friday to finish off with a weekend vlog. I'm just starting off with this week with daily workouts. Won't be perhaps daily workout. I'll miss a workout either once or twice that week, but I should get in at least 6 to 5 workouts per week. This week I probably won't get in but 4, because I'll miss tomorrow. But anyway, it looks a little gray, but it shows that the sun is coming out, so I am ready. I'm out on the back porch having my tea, and then I'm gonna go back in and catch up with you guys later. I've already did my devotional this morning, and I've gotten dressed to work out.
Safe in your hands, no more hiding from the boogeyman. I'll take one more chance, 'cause you always help me forever now, forever now. Tell me where and I'll go. Here's my heart, you take control. Memories that we can hold until forever now, forever now. Take what you said and I'll hide it in the safe of my chest. My faith is in your plans, so I'll never have to hide again. No, I see the start of something breaking out. Heart beating at the door, it's open now. Feels like a dance I always knew. Wake me up with a dream. We could get away from the scene. Carry on, just you and me, until forever now, forever now. Tell me where and I'll go. Here's my heart, you take control. Memories that we can hold until forever now, forever now.
So I'm finally out the door and about to head to the park. Dang, I didn't bring my kettlebell. I gotta go back in the house and get it. Got the kettlebell ready to go. Hopefully this camera don't fall. While I got it up there.
Wake me up with a dream. We could get
Anyway,
away from the
I'll catch you guys when I get to the park.
Carry on,
Bye.
just you and me, until forever now.
Hi, so I have made it to the park. I usually don't like that put nothing on my eyes because I'm probably gonna sweat. So yeah, put these shades up. And I'll get back with you guys a little bit later, maybe on the walk. And during my kettlebell workout. All right.
At the lowest parts of me, found a love to help me see that nothing's ever wasted and no one's too far gone. From rock bottom of the sea to the sky beyond the ceiling. After all I've tasted and after all I've seen, I never wanna go back. I never wanna know that life before love. I'm living in the moment. I'm running after all that's holy and pure. In the shadow of your wings, I find all my sanity. I can trust your cover. I am safe with you. Though I'm promised suffering, I know you're right here with me, keeping me together.
I don't have a really stable thing because my camera thing fell down, but I'm done with my workout. I was able to track my walk, which was 3 miles, a little over 3 miles. That's what I'm doing right now. And I jogged a little bit, but not that much. I did do a kettlebell workout, but I didn't track it, so you have to remember to track that. Track it as a workout, a strengthening workout next time. All right, I will see you guys this weekend. Today is Wednesday, so I will see you guys Friday morning when I get off of work. Till then.